Did you like this mini album? Did you just see the walkthrough and you liked it? Stay tuned, guys, because I made a kit for you. Okay, guys, what's in the kit? What's in the kit? Of course, the chipboard is inside, 2mm thickness, very sturdy. I have that document folders. You actually need one, but just in case you cut one wrong, I put 2 inside. Then there is a little welcome note. There are actually quite a lot of measurements on here, but don't worry, if you don't have the kit, you will also see all the measurements. So it's just a welcome note, guys. And then you will get, of course, the lace for the spine. There is also the black and gold lace pieces that you still need to cut out yourself, of course. I did not do that for you. And then there is a ribbon set. Plenty, at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ribbons, so that is included too. There is a big bag of metals from all the charms and the closure and the brads. You name it, everything is inside. Oh, sorry, guys. And then, of course, there are 4 paper packs of stamperia inside. Yay! 8x8 size, 4 packs. Yes, you will get it. Be fast because I really have a limited edition. So I don't have that much. So if you want it, guys, send me an email. The link is below this video. Send me an email and be fast, guys. Don't be late. Bye bye.